What's good? I'm Kasim. It's Just Sneakers, back with another review. And today we got the Asics Bodega Gel-MC Plus. Okay, so this is an Asics collab with Bodega. They previously collabed in 2014 on the Gel Light 5s. I remember those and I actually tried to cop them. They came out in 2 colorways and they had Gore-Tex. For me, I'm really into Gore-Tex. Got a bunch of Gore-Tex jackets and a bunch of different type of North Faces and Red joints. Like, I'm really into jackets. This silhouette in particular is originally from 1995. It's from the same designer as the more popular Gel Light 3s. These released exclusively on the Bodega website. I'm sure nowhere else. They were a pretty simple cop if you were on it in like the first maybe hour or 2 or something like that. These also come with multiple accessories like this orange keychain here. And they come with multiple lace options. It has the white that it comes with, as well as orange, which I threw in the other shoe, and a cream pair, off-white. Well, it's more like, cream beige pair. The toe box is comprised of this felt suede, which runs along the mud guard, and it gets intercepted by this hairy suede here on both sides. Move to the toe. We have this wave knit pattern. Design of this shoe is real slick too. It has like this intercepting cross on the front and whatnot. Kind of a unique design. Could move up towards the tongue and shoelace. We run into this hairy suede on the eyelets. On the eyelets we have multiple colors. On the outside we just have the gray hairy suede, but on the inside it's a couple things going on. We have this leather part right here, which is it's a teal, sort of like that, along with these shoelaces, it's sort of like the Miami Dolphins color, teal and orange. And that's intercepted by the blue suede from the Asics logo, as well as this extra part, which is kind of random but dope. It's like this hit of purple right here that has a Bodega insignia. And it isn't attached to anything. As you see, you can it's not attached to the shoe. So it gives you that multi-color, color block look. And I'm really into color block. Like I rock with color block. The tongue itself is royal blue. And it's like in this padded mesh. It's a very stark royal blue too. The inside of the tongue is teal as well. The sock liner is a royal blue. And the insole, orange, 15 years, Bodega. Other shoe just has Asics. Now, let's move over to the side of the shoe. A lot going on here on the side. First off, we got the Asics logo, which is yellow with a purple outlining. It's sort of like a plastic material. Pops out with the gray background. We have this hairy suede hit right here. Some of the mesh peeking through. We have this blue stitching right here, which is just, random but dope. We have this part here, which is a darker gray and it's suede as well. Move over to the back, hairy suede and it's a royal blue. Asics logo in baby blue. Top heel tab is teal. We got a hit of yellow right here, as well as the gray peeking through. Look at the inside of the shoe. Here we got some more colors. The Asics logo on the inside of the shoe is royal blue and it's a felt suede. We got this purple part right here, like I mentioned. Really digging that purple. It's just one piece on each shoe, but to me that, that really stands out and brings the shoe home. We can move to the midsole. The midsole is white and off-white vintage kind of thing going on. And we also have these gel parts right here. They feel nice and I'm sure they are part of what provide the comfort and whatnot. And them gel hits are, going all the way towards the back. And it's like it's like a ocean blue kind of color. So, it's a great contrast. And it's only on the outside of the shoe. There's no part of the gel on the inside. Move over to the outsole. You know, it's yellow, white, royal blue. There you have it. I'll give you a look at both shoes with the white shoelacing and the orange. Me personally, I like the orange, but the white works as well. I threw in the beige pair, and I'm not really digging the beige pairs too much. They don't pop at all, you know, with the beige pair, but you know, they're still dope. So yeah, there you have it. Now, as far as sizing, I went true to size. I'm gonna be honest, I had no personal experience with Asics, so I just went true to size, and it works out for the most part. As far as comfort, this is definitely an all-day wear type of shoe. So, you know, I'd recommend, you know, they're pretty comfortable. Now for my overall thoughts, you know, of course I'm rocking with them. You know, this kind of shoe, you kind of got to go out your way to cop anyway. This isn't like just normally on the, you know, the average sneakerhead's radar. So, you know, I kind of did go out my way to get these. And, you know, I really didn't know what to expect, but in person, I'm really digging them. Like I said, I tried to cop Asics many times before. Like back in the day, I tried to get the salmon toes or whatever, and then the all mint pair, like the mint color pair. They were like Kith exclusives back in the day. Kith, they actually last year, they recently retroed them. I really wasn't into them this time around. But I wanna know what y'all think about these. Did any of y'all out there cop them? You thinking of copping? Are y'all heavy on the Asics, or you just now looking to venture into that? Either way, leave it below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's just sneakers. Peace.